Every day, 44 million K through 12 students arrive on campus. Parents, students, and faculty expect a safe learning environment. The safety of our customers is important to us. That's why we take every precaution to ensure we maintain a safe environment from the moment our trucks pull into the lot until our crews drive away. We ensure our crews are trained on school safety protocols before they arrive at an educational facility. We cover the following: access control. We pre-clear every technician with your designated contact and require daily check-ins, checkouts at the main office. All work happens strictly within approved zones. No doors propped, no unauthorized entry, and every door double-checked to ensure it's fully latched. Behavior. We expect our crews to conduct themselves in a professional manner. Our teams arrive in clean, business-appropriate attire with visible badges and required PPE. We enforce a strict no smoking, no cell phone, no student interaction policy across campus. Clear communication. Every morning, we brief your staff on where we'll work and how we'll secure the site. Each afternoon, we recap completed work, any issues, and tomorrow's plan, always confirming checkout with your team. By rigorously following these ABCs of school safety and providing ongoing education, BMS CAT delivers not only expert restoration work, but also the peace of mind that your students and faculty remain protected at every step. Let us show you how we set the industry standard. Because at BMS CAT, we don't just restore buildings, we safeguard communities.